everyone, I'm back. This is now the next morning. This is the Mielle Moisture RX Hawaii and Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Treatment. This conditioner really throws me off big time. Right, this is my very first time using a product specifically designed to be used for overnight treatment. So I had nothing to compare it with, because when I do my overnight treatment, whether it's hot oil treatment or just my regular conditioner that I've made the concoction of and apply it overnight because I'm stuck with time, those I know what to expect. But this, a product that is specifically designed to be applied overnight, never use anything like this in my entire hair journey. That is why I was so curious to know what it's all about, if it is a product that I can actually add into my long list of hair products. There's only one way to find out. So there we go. So applying it was nothing I've ever seen. Like with all this product line, Mielle, their claim remained the same, that there is no parabens, no sulfates, and no paraffins, no mineral oils, no synthetic colors, no DEA, whatever, DEA, no animal testing. So they're sticking, that is their story, they're sticking with it, of course, for anyone who cares. So yes, now, this is next morning. Given the consistency of this product, I figure I should be able to get a good 3, if not even 4 use out of this. So it's extremely thick. I do now understand why, when I applied it to my hair, why it was so stiff. Because it's designed to be left on your hair overnight. That, in a sense, is making a little bit of sense, because the product wasn't slipping everywhere. Like when I make my concoction high, we usually slip everywhere. I have to tie it over and over to make sure everything stays in place. I could have just applied this product on and used my clean film or a shower cap and be good to go, because the product is so stiff. It's almost like you're applying a cement onto your hair, so it kind of stay where you want it to be. There was a little bit of softness to it, but I just did not appreciate the stiffness. So that stiffness worked in a sense that it's gonna stay there overnight, so you need to stay put. I didn't like that stiffness at the same time, because I've never applied any product that make my hair that stiff. So that was a blow to my system. The instruction on how to use it did say to apply it, allow conditioner to stay in your hair overnight, apply shower cap for added protection, rinse conditioner in the morning prior to shampooing. I did not do that. I wash my hair, add in my t-shirt, and let my hair, that t-shirt completely soak up the water that was in it, so my hair was now damp, not dripping wet anymore. Then I went in and applied this to it. My hair had too many products on it to be applying a treatment like this on top of that. I didn't feel comfortable doing that. So if you plan on trying this, you might want to try it the way the instruction actually says, meaning you apply it to dirty hair, leave it on overnight, then wash it off in the morning and follow that up with your regular shampoo and conditioner. So I didn't do that. That wasn't what I did, if you've seen the previous clips. So now let me see what is going on in here. As of this minute, I cannot tell you if this product make my hair soft, if it's doing all these things it's claiming that it's gonna do. I have no idea. As you can see behind me, I'm all set up, so I'll be standing and to rinse this out. I have no idea. So the stiffness still goes on. So wherever my hair was left last night, it pretty much stays there, which is a good thing. Now, feeling the hair itself, my hair is feeling extremely soft as of this minute. So whether this will still carry on once I rinse it out, I will obviously come back and let you guys know. So I'm gonna proceed, yes, my hair feels really soft, really good actually. Yeah, I like this, I like this. So let me rinse it off. I will come back once I rinse it off in my kind of wet damp state hair. I will come back and show you guys. I will also come back and show you guys my hair when it's hopefully fully air dried, so we can compare this product. Yes, you with me? Stay where you are, don't go anywhere.
My God has got my back, but surely will be. So if you don't send me my guy, just know I don't send you times 3. So what's my African lady, sexy baby? Oh my, when I own drive me crazy, and I'm yet to stay with you. Let me be your one and only.
You guys seeing this, right? What? Oh my God. That was it. That's all. I love this product, guys. Oh my word. Look. I'm so gonna come back, guys. I'm only 6 weeks post relaxer, but I am gonna come back when I'm a good 4 or 5 months post relaxer. I am gonna come back. Me, this product, we're gonna have it out big time. I'll be back once my hair is air dry. Fucking hell. I'm back. You saw me rinsing that conditioner out. My hair is now, for the most part, dry. A little bit dampish still. Check around here, so it's still a little bit damp here at the back. That conditioner is a keeper. Absolutely. Since it's an overnight treatment, I will be stocking up on that. That will be product. This product will be the product I will be using overnight when I'm completely stuck. I will not be doing concussions anymore. I love it. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. So what I applied in, once I finished rinsing that off, I went in straight away and applied Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. So I applied that on and let my hair completely air dry. I have not blow dried this hair. I will be definitely be coming back to use this product again when I'm further into my stretch. 100%. I love it. My hair feels so soft, extremely moisturized. So I went in and balanced out my hair with that Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, since that is a protein base. So for moisturizer, which I will be doing, I won't be showing you guys that. I have video how I do my hair moisturizer. So I'm gonna go in with Growth Cream of Nature Shea Butter. What am I talking about? Cantu Shea Butter Growth Strong Strengthening Treatment. So it strengthens fragile strands, protect from heat damage, whatever. So I will be going in. That will be the moisturizer I will be using. This is like an oil-based moisturizer. See, I have a lot left in that. I seem to put it where I can't find it that often. So I'm gonna go in with that and section my hair off and moisturize it in sessions like I usually do. I suppose, guys, this concludes this video. That hair product was $12.99 at what was the shop? Is it Kiyo? Kiyo, something like that. I will leave their link somewhere. That is the site I ordered them from. $12.99. You might be able to find it anywhere else, maybe cheaper. But here we go. Here we are, guys. Thank you all so much for sticking by me and sticking by this channel. I hope somebody, you know, find this today's video helpful. I'm gonna leave you guys and love you guys for now. I will talk to you guys on the next one. Thank you all so much for your support. Ciao, ciao.
Bad man empire up on this one day.